Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on NIO. The stock was up over 6% today. But before continuing, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So let's go ahead and take a look at a daily chart here. We can see that it did hit a low of 803. This was back early March. And it was just trading in this range of $8 and $9.50, and today we almost broke the $10 resistance, couldn't break it, so we just been trading in this range. So a lot of people thought that NIO, including myself, was going to go up to 100. This was back in 2021, but it never did. It actually gone downhill, just like a lot of these stocks. And we can see this massive sell-off back in September from my high of $22, and it's just been trading, and then here we are, under $10. If you are a long-term believer of EV stocks, definitely consider NIO. And we can see that the RSI is creeping up. Once it hits 60, that's when it starts selling off again. 60 implying that it is overbought. Take a look at the news here. NIO has reportedly begun trial operations of its Power Swap Station 3.0. NIO commenced trial operation on Tuesday of faster, more efficient battery swapping stations in China. It was reported that NIO's first third-generation battery swap stations unveiled in December will go online March 28th, ahead of a previously announced timeline. The third-generation power swap station adopts a new power swap mode, raising capacity to 408 swaps per day, a 30% increase compared with the second-generation power swap station. So if we take a look at another news here, so this is a much older news, and this was March 22nd, and it says, NIO shares are trading higher after the company said it is confident of meeting its 250,000 sales target this year. So hopefully they do end up doing that. And if we take a look at some of these options, so the implied volatility creeping up a little bit. You can see for this week's expiration dates, we have a lot of volume for the 10 strike, 22,000. So a lot of people are hoping that this stock goes to 10 or higher. If not, they're just going to lose everything. I would not suggest buying weekly calls because that doesn't give you plenty of time for the stock to move in your favor. So if you are considering calls, I would probably go for May or even August. August, the 10 strike. These are a little bit more expensive, $169, but that way it gives you a lot of time for the stock to move up because we can see here back in the chart, it's been consolidating. So imagine you've been buying weekly calls for the 10 strike and it just never reaches it. So we just don't know. Or the best thing to do is just buy shares. Common shares, they never expire because if you have bought shares, let's see, if you bought shares at $20 last year, you would still have your shares now. Whereas if you bought a call option that expired a few months from then, it all expired worthless. So if you are holding shares from $20, now would be a great time to possibly average down. And if we take a look at the 21 April, you can see there are still a lot of people hoping that the stock will go up to $10, which I do think it will. No one knows that when it will go up to 10. The best thing to do is just stay as patient as possible, average down if you are a long-term investor, and hopefully we can try to break this $10 resistance, and the next resistance will be $14. Couldn't break that in January. And that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments if you're buying more NIO shares or if you're buying any call options. And thanks for watching.